Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Apple Pencil Cap Tether is probably one of the most essential accessories for any iPad Pro or iPad Air user who frequently uses their Apple Pencil, as it provides a simple yet incredibly effective solution to a common problem: losing or misplacing the small, easily lost charging cap. This tiny accessory attaches securely to your Apple Pencil, ensuring that the cap is always within reach and protected when you're charging your device, thereby preventing those frustrating moments of searching for a misplaced cap and safeguarding it from potential damage or loss, ultimately enhancing your overall Apple Pencil experience and workflow. Number 5. PencilCozy Apple Pencil Cap Replacement and Holder. Never lose your Apple Pencil cap again. This accessory fastens tightly to your pen, securely holding both the pen and its replacement cap. Designed for superior protection, this cover safeguards your Apple stylus pencil. It's built with quality and durability in mind to prevent damage. Keep your Apple Pencil cap holder secure and safe. Prevent damage and loss with this easy-to-use tether and protective cover. This accessory is specifically designed to work with your Apple Pencil first generation. It provides a secure and protective solution for your device. We are so confident in our product that we offer a lifetime money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied, simply return it for a full refund, no questions asked. Looking for more? Check out our other listings for multipack options and various color choices to suit your style. What we like. This offers a perfect fit and superior protection for your Apple Pencil cap and stylus. It's designed to prevent damage and loss with an easy-to-use tether. If you're looking for peace of mind and a product backed by a lifetime guarantee, this is the one for you. What people say. The tether is a great accessory to keep the cap from getting lost. It attaches securely to the pencil and the cap, preventing accidental drops. The design is simple yet effective, ensuring the cap stays put during charging. Number 4. AhaStyle Silicone Cap Holder for Apple Pencil First Gen. Introducing the AhaStyle Cap Replacement Holder, designed specifically for your Apple Pencil First Generation. This set includes 3 stylish colors: white, pink, and avocado green. Never worry about losing your original cap again. This is the perfect always-on solution, ensuring your charging port is always protected and looks great. Crafted from premium silicone, it provides excellent protection for the charging plug. It's durable and designed to last. With a size identical to the original cap, it offers a perfect fit for your Apple Pencil. You can trust it to stay securely in place. This package comes with 3 distinct color caps. You get white, pink, and avocado green to personalize your Apple Pencil. Please note, this cap plug is exclusively compatible with the Apple Pencil First Generation. It ensures a secure and reliable connection. What we like. This provides an always-on solution for your Apple Pencil cap, made from premium silicone for good protection. It comes in a pack of 3 different colors, offering a stylish and practical replacement. If you like having options and want a simple, effective way to keep your cap secure, this is a great choice. What people say. The tether is a great accessory to keep the cap from getting lost. It attaches securely to the pencil and the cap, preventing accidental drops or misplacements. The design is simple yet effective, ensuring the cap stays put when not in use. Number 3. PencilCozy Combo Pack Navy Blue. Introducing the PencilCozy Combo Pack, a 3-piece set designed to protect your Apple Pencil accessories. It includes a replacement cap, nib cover, and charging cable adapter tether for comprehensive safeguarding. Our anti-loss design features a secure strap to keep your pencil caps and adapter tether safe. This ensures you won't accidentally misplace these essential parts, compatible with both first and second generation pencils. Crafted from medical-grade silicone, this set offers a comfortable grip and long-lasting protection. It shields your pencil caps from dirt, scratches, and prevents them from rolling away. Charging is made easy with its thoughtful design, allowing you to access the cap without hassle. The tether also securely holds your adapter, preventing it from getting lost. Available in stylish navy blue, this set not only adds a touch of style to your iPad Pro but also keeps your accessories organized and protected. It's a perfect gift to show you care. What we like. This combo pack offers a full set of accessories, including a replacement cap, nib cover, and charging cable tether, all with an anti-loss design. It's made from premium silicone and comes in stylish colors. If you want a comprehensive solution to protect all your Apple Pencil accessories and add a touch of style, this set is ideal. What people say. The tether is a great accessory to keep the cap from getting lost. It attaches securely to the pencil and the cap, preventing accidental drops or misplacement. The design is simple yet effective, ensuring the cap stays put when charging the pencil. Number 2. MoKo Pencil Cap Holder for Apple Pencil 1st Gen. This accessory is perfectly designed for your Apple Pencil 1st generation and its charging adapter. It's compatible with a wide range of iPads, including the latest models. Keep your pencil cap safe and prevent it from rolling away while you're using your stylus. This holder ensures it stays put. It also secures your data cable to the micro USB adapter, keeping everything organized. Installation and removal are simple and hassle-free. Crafted from elastic silicone material, it provides a more secure and comfortable grip on your stylus. You'll receive 2 pieces in the package, one cap holder for your Apple Pencil and another for its charging adapter. Please note, the Apple Pencil itself is not included. What we like. This set is designed for wide compatibility with various iPad models and the Apple Pencil 1st generation. It includes a protective cap holder and a tether for your charging adapter, offering a secure grip. If you need a reliable and versatile accessory set that covers both your pencil cap and charging adapter, this 2-piece package is a practical option. What people say. It's a simple, effective tether that keeps the cap from getting lost. The tether attaches securely to the pencil and the cap, preventing accidental drops or misplacement. Number 1. Apple Pencil 1st Gen Accessories Kit. Ensure your Apple Pencil 1st generation works perfectly with our specially designed accessories. Please note, the pencil itself is not included. Experience fluid writing and drawing with our premium replacement tips. They are incredibly smooth, sensitive, and wear-resistant for lag-free performance. This magnetic cap is crafted from high-quality, eco-friendly PC material. It attaches securely, protecting your pencil. Charging your pencil is simple with this adapter. It's designed to connect easily with a lightning cable for convenient power-ups. You'll receive a magnetic cap, charging adapter, tip replacement, cap holder, and adapter tether. Plus, enjoy our 30-day worry-free replacement or refund policy. We're here to help. If you have any questions about your purchase, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. What we like. This package includes a magnetic replacement cap, a charging adapter, and even a tip replacement, offering a full suite of accessories for your Apple Pencil 1st Gen. The tip replacement ensures smooth and sensitive writing with no lag. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution that not only protects your cap but also enhances your writing experience, this comprehensive set is worth considering. What people say. The tether is a simple yet effective solution to prevent losing the Apple Pencil cap. It attaches securely to the pencil and the cap, ensuring they stay together. The design is unobtrusive and doesn't interfere with the charging process. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.